Are you a virtual assistant drowning in to-dos and struggling to keep everything organized? Then get ready to transform your workflow, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to leverage Trello to become a productivity powerhouse. First, let's create a board for each client or major project. Think of each board as a central hub for everything related to that task. Then, create lists representing stages of your workflow like to do, doing, and done. Now, for the magic, create cards for each individual task. Within your project, click on a card to add detailed descriptions, assign new dates, and upload relevant files. This keeps all the information related to a task in one easily accessible place. The beauty of Trello is its flexibility. As you work on tasks, simply drag and drop the cards across your lists to reflect their current status. This provides a clear visual overview of your progress. Collaboration is key. Assign team members to cards, leave comments for communication, and use labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, or client. This fosters seamless teamwork and ensures everyone is on the same page. Trello also offers PowerUps, which are integrations that enhance its functionality. The calendar PowerUp provides a visual timeline of deadlines, ensuring you never miss a beat. Explore other PowerUps like Google Drive, Slack, or Toggle Track to seamlessly integrate your favorite tools and streamline your workflow even further. So, ditch the chaos and embrace the power of Trello. By implementing these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a super organized and highly efficient virtual assistant, delivering exceptional results for your clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more VA tips and tricks.